Hi, Conistáin. How are things? Ben from Bite Size Irish here, and today let's take a bite-sized look at how to say I'm drunk in Irish. So as is the case in other languages, there are a variety of different ways to describe the different states of drunkenness in Irish. So today I'll just give you enough to get you started. So first of all, to simply say I am drunk, you would say Táim meisce. Táim meisce. And again, Táim meisce. Another way to say this is Táim óilte. Táim óilte. Táim óilte. So you may know the verb ól, the verb to drink in Irish, so of course óilte associated with that. Now, if you just happen to be a little bit tipsy, you would say Táim bog bheisce. Táim bog bheisce. And again, Táim bog bheisce. So the word bog means soft or gentle in Irish. So here we're saying we're softly drunk, gently drunk. A nice way to describe it, I think. You could also use the word súgach here. Táim súgach. I'm tipsy. Táim súgach. Táim súgach. If, on the other hand, you were very, very drunk indeed, you would need a different term. Now, I'm going to give you this one in the past tense because as a learner of Irish, I don't expect you to be able to remember how to say I'm very drunk when you are actually very drunk. More likely, you'll say it the next day. So, to say I was very drunk, you would say bhí mé dearg bheisce. Bhí mé dearg bheisce. Bhí mé dearg bheisce. So you may know the word dearg in reference to the colour red in Irish, but this word dearg can also be used in Irish as a prefix to mean real, intense, or utter. So, dearg bheisce, utterly drunk, intensely drunk. You could also say that you're blind drunk by saying bhí mé cléachta. I was blind drunk. Bhí mé cléachta. And again, bhí mé cléachta. I was blind drunk. And if you had been cléachta inné, if you had been blind drunk yesterday, today you would be hungover. So to say, I have a hangover, you say, tá póit orm. Tá póit orm. And again, tá póit orm. All of which brings us nicely to today's seanachal or proverb associated with drunkenness. And that is, nuair a bhíonn an duch istigh, bhíonn an heel amo. When the drink is in, the sense is out. Nuair a bhíonn an duch istigh, bhíonn an heel amo. Nuair a bhíonn an duch istigh, bhíonn an heel amo. So remember that and be careful now. So that's the end of today's little lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. From me, Ben, till the next time. Bye for now. Slán go fóill.
Transform your Irish language journey in 1 week. Take the gaeilge gach lá 1 week challenge starting Monday. It doesn't matter if you're just starting off, coming back to Irish, or you're already an active learner. Go to challenge.irish or click the link in the description.